Yeah, I found some clearance in what's left of the client section in my Home Depot. 1007 down from 1997 for coax strippers. 1907 down from 3797 for a coax Explorer 2 with remote kit. And we got crimpers to put the ends on the coax. 1807 down from 3497. 1507 down from 2997 for a different one. And they've also got connectors, RG6 687 down from 1341. RG6 and RG6Q 1107 down from 2070. And then there's some pass-through connectors, 507 down from 997 for the RJ45 Cat 6. And a power stack starter kit for $80 down from $169. $90 down from $189 for 5